We immigrated to Australia about 9 years ago.
Purchased a block of land in Turkey. We had a lovely view. I wanted to see if we could find a builder where we don't necessarily have to go custom design. We went to the Warralali Display Village, and the moment I walked into that Barcelona, I just knew it was going to be the perfect fit for the block. We then decided to sell it 18 months later, and we enjoyed the process so much and decided why not do it again.
We came in 2007 to Australia from India, and we start our life from zero. My wife been studying full-time and I've been working full-time, supporting her study.
We wanted to settle first and then we should build our own house. We were just visiting all the display houses around. Then we have visited the one in Williams Landing, Barcelona 28, boutique homes. That was it, like our journey is just finished here because we have got the perfect plan.
We grew up in India, in the same town in fact. I had a huge crush on her. She didn't even notice me. It's one of those cliched stories, but yeah, we came here for university, studying, and then we fell in love with the place and in love with each other and sort of decided to stay back.
The first display home we went into, it was boutiques. We liked the floor plan a lot.
So from there on, we actually use the same metrics to compare other houses we went to. When you take out all the upgrades, all you get for most of the builders was like 4 walls and a ceiling. To bring it up to the boutique standard, none of them actually stood up anywhere close. That's why we chose this.
The build only took 4.5 months. It was
quick.
really, really quick.
Seemed very quick. I enjoy the fact that you don't really have to go to the site when you build with boutique. Everything was being done to spec and on time. The communication was great.
We would get an email from the consultant saying, this is what has happened, this is the next step, this is what's going to happen. And without fail, we could just be traveling around Europe and just check, okay, it's going fine, We don't have to worry about that. Now we have pretty much friends staying over every other weekend. They love it, they love the area, they love the construction. I think we're the only ones who have such a massive place. So we are huge advocates of boutique.
The way the plan looks like, all the rooms and everything is so much spacious. When our friends and families will visit us, they have given us so much good compliments about those things. They have come with their friends as well to show them that you can build something like that with boutique because the quality of the things they are using, it's really good.
You just know when something just feels right. And I like a single-story home, seeing out my windows and seeing the garden. The centralness of the kitchen, the separate section where the kids are, bedroom in the front.
For me, it's just very easy to live in.
It feels right.
From the start to end, it was really cooperative. If we will think about any other house in future, definitely our builder is fixed. That is boutique.